Okay, I got a box from Pro-Lok. I ordered the Blue Punch because of this foam. This foam I sometimes use for the bottom of a tool bag. It's pretty cool. And then I thought it was gonna be all ready to use out the box, but it's not. So this little piece. And then here's the Blue Punch. You gotta take it out. This one I got on sale. I think almost 900. Let's see, let's take it out. Okay, there's a little slide. You have to install that for your depth, Schlage 930. Take that out now. Okay. Plastic. And it has a little decoder right here. You can decode your keys before you cut them. I'm gonna put this on the scale and see how heavy it is. Well, this Blue Punch looks different from the ones I've used before. It's more heavy duty. Pro-Lok. I wonder if the other one was made from a different company than Pro-Lok. Maybe not. Maybe this is just a new one. Anyways, I'm gonna have to assemble it. Oh look, it even has a key there already. Better not be used. Alright. Got extra foam there. And also came with a little pamphlet for entry armor. If you have a shop, you can put that on your wall. All the various products. Entry armor. More products, more money you guys spend money to make money. Okay, guess I'm gonna have to assemble it, so I guess I'll do another video after it's assembled. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got these Schlage L keyway. I gave one to my brother already, so I use these for shimming. I was gonna make a bump key out of one, I said nah, it's gonna ruin it. Because bump keys, they get worn out anyway, so it might last a long time, but I don't know. Tell me what you think. Alright, talk to you guys later. See you guys later. See you Saturday at Jason's Live. Okay, bye.